children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn one story. Look at the picture, children. The dogs are playing cricket. The dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. The rat asks, "May I play with you?" The dog says, "But the game has started. Sorry, you are late." The rat going another place. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join. "May I fly with you?" The rabbit says, "But I have only one kite." The rat asks, "May I fly your kite?" The rabbit says, "But I have only one." The rat moves to another place. The monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join. The rat asks, "May I play with you?" But rats cannot swing. The rat moves to another place. The frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat wants to join. The rat asks, "May I hop with you?" The frog says, "No, no, only two can play this game." Finally, the rat is building a sandcastle. Everyone wants to join him. The rat play along. The rabbit says, "Hey, look at that, a sandcastle." Monkey says, "Shall we join him?" The rat invites everyone to play with him. Playing together is always fun. We all playing together. The story moral is playing together is always fun. Circle the right words. Look at the picture, children. What is this? Bat or swing? Swing. Yes, correct. Circle the swing. Next picture. Marbles or ball? What is this? This is ball? No. This is marble. Next picture. What is this? Kite or ball? Yes, ball. Next picture. Kite or swing? Yes, kite. Circle the kite. Next picture. Sandcastle, bat. Yes, sandcastle. What is this? Bat or ball? Yes, bat. Circle the bat. Dear children, listen, think and say answer. Who flies a kite? Yes, the rabbit flies a kite. Second question. Who has a bat? Yes, the dog has a bat. Next question. Who builds a sandcastle? Yes, the rat builds a sandcastle. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.